Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's read an essay, The Scene at the Railway Station, a very commonly asked essay in exams. I was overjoyed to learn that my friend Rohit was coming to Lucknow to spend the Christmas vacation with me. I decided to receive him at the railway station. The thought of meeting him after a gap of 5 years exhilarated me. Exhilarated means excited. Next para. On the appointed day, I got up early in the morning and was at the railway station by 7 a.m. The estimated time of arrival of Lucknow Mail. On reaching the station, I was informed that the train was an hour late. Cursing the railways for their inefficiency, I trudged along, that is, walked slowly, along to the inquiry office to inquire about the exact status of the train. But nowadays we can check or track the status of the train even online. The clerk at the counter seemed uncooperative. After some prodding, that is, asking questions, he informed that there was a derailment at Hardoi. Derailment means the train must have got off track. So that's the reason why there was a delay. The engineers or the workers have to be called, get the train back on track so that it can continue its journey. About 60 kilometers away from Lucknow, which had delayed the train. So this is a descriptive essay. Next, since it was unadvisable to return home. Why not? Probably because by the time he goes home and comes back, it'll be 1 hour, so what's the point? I decided to wait and looked around for a place to park myself, that is, just to sit somewhere. To my dismay, that is, disappointment, there was none. For the platform was milling with people. Milling means full of people. There were passengers waiting for trains while others like me were waiting to receive their near and dear ones. There were still others sleeping on the floor with their luggage under their head. You could have seen this sight maybe at CST station or the other station, terminus. I couldn't help admiring their capacity to sleep amidst the din of hawkers and vendors. Din means noise. An occasional dog or cow would make a detour of the place. Detour means get out of your usual journey. Looking for eatables left by passengers. A bull, probably attracted by my red jacket, headed towards me. That's a misconception. Bulls cannot distinguish between red color and other colors. They are not attracted by the red color, no. And even the spot where the bull is shown the red color by the matador is just an act, because actually the matador's movements and the stamping on the ground makes the bull angry, not the red color. And did you know snakes can't hear? They respond to vibrations of the ground. Fearing that it would butt me, that is, push with the head, I thought it prudent to move away. Prudent means wise. It, however, had no such intention, for it picked up a banana peel lying before me. Next para. Feeling tired and exhausted, I took a cup of tea from a vendor. While sipping it, I saw a train screech to a halt. Screech is a sound made when the brakes are applied. Screech to a halt, stop, on the platform. There was great commotion. Commotion means noise, as people on the platform rushed in to take their seat, making it difficult for passengers to disembark, that is, come out of the train. There was much shouting and confusion in the hullabaloo, that is, noise and chaos. A lady who had just disembarked from the train yelled that her chain had been snatched. So look at the imagination being used in describing 1 hour at the railway station, making this essay a very interesting one. Hearing her shout, a lad standing close to her broke into a run, that is, started running. Perhaps he was the criminal. He came rushing towards me to escape from the exit passage behind me. I instinctively, that is without thinking, flung the cup of hot tea on his face. Oh, that was a bit harsh. This startled him, surprised him, and in no time, I, with the help of other passengers, overpowered him, that is, captured him. The lady thanked me profusely, a lot, for my presence of mind. The culprit was handed over to the railway police, who arrested him. Last para. A little later, I was relieved to hear the announcement of the arrival of the Lucknow mail. As the train rolled in, that is, arrived, I found my friend standing in one of the compartments, waving out to me. It was a happy reunion, as we hugged each other like long lost friends. All the din, that is noise, dirt, and the clamor, noise, was lost on us. That means we ignored everything, we forgot everything. We were blissfully lost in the embrace of each other. Very close friends. As we walked away from the station with his baggage in tow, that is, carrying his baggage with me. Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.